Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Urban Panache. So today I'm going to talk about highlighters and show you guys the areas where to use them. And for this tutorial, I'm going to use this powder shimmery highlighter from Savannah Colors. Since highlighter is a really wonderful way to infuse a little bit of life into your look, I'm going to talk about how you can use highlighters with the best of its abilities for a glowy and dewy look. So here, if you want a striking highlighted look as opposed to a slightly more contoured look, start applying the highlighter on the high points of your cheeks, right exactly here, and it would make them look more lifted. So highlighters are basically applied on the areas where light naturally falls and also to highlight the narrow areas of your face. So the area I'm highlighting right now is the bridge of my nose, and this works even better if you want to contour your nose for a more structured look. And well blended line down the center of your nose makes it look even more longer and narrower. Now for a more polished look, highlighters are also applied on the forehead, and which actually helps to bring dimension to your face. You can use a highlighter under your eyebrows and above them after you have filled them in, and this makeup trick is actually going to give you a visible lift. It's going to emphasize the shape of your brows, give them a cleaner look and accentuate your eyes. So only pay attention to use the highlighter sparingly, and there's no need to use a big brush. You can use a tiny thin brush to get a more sophisticated result, just like the brush I'm using right now. Now you can give your lipstick a really clean look by applying highlighter on your Cupid's bow using this little tiny brush, and this is actually going to make your lipstick look really pop. So while you're working for a few hours of sleep, this is the trick to look awake in a few minutes, and what you can actually do is to add a pinch of highlighter to the inner corner of your eyes, and this won't just brighten up your eyes but will also make them look wide awake as well. So if you want the illusion of bigger lips, this is the trick to apply some highlighter on the center of your lips and also blend them for a more mattified look. You can also apply some highlighter on your chin to help accentuate it. Now highlighters have brightening elements that can completely transform your look, and in this video I've actually used a powder highlighter in place of a cream or a liquid highlighter, and let me know in the comments bar if you guys would want me to talk about the other types of highlighters as well. I specifically picked a powder highlighter because it's more easily available for newcomers and somebody who's a newbie in the makeup world. So let me know in the comments bar about it, and also let me know how did you like the video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel Urban Panache for more such videos, and you can also subscribe to my social media for all the crazy behind the scenes. Bye!